Everybody, it's Rick. And if you're thinking about buying a home or getting pre-approved, the very first step is filling out the mortgage application. And I know it can be overwhelming. It's a lot of information at once. Also, you don't know what you're getting into. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to expect and how to breeze through it in under 10 minutes. So the first thing to do is, where do you go to complete a mortgage application? I am going to share my screen. Alrighty. And this is my website, Neighborhood Loans, your mortgage is a click away. How do you know it's my website? Well, there I am right there. My name is Rick Guerrero. I've been in lending for 10 years. Not only my lender, I also own 7 properties. I bought a 9 in my lifetime. So this is something that I'm very passionate about, is helping people build wealth through homeownership. This is my mortgage application. I'm going to click here, apply now. All right. Now it says, tell us what you're looking for. So I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to type in my email address. It's my personal email address, my Gmail. Let's make me create an account. All righty. Let's see if it'll let me create an account here. All right. It's going to send a code to my cell phone number. I'm checking my cell phone number now. So this is live in real time. All right. All righty. So I am in the application now. So the first thing it's going to ask me is my name and information, getting to know me. Now, if you have any questions here, feel free to get in touch with us at any point. So this is saying this is my loan officer, which is me. That's my office number. That's my email address. That's my website. So I'm going to hit continue. All right. I am purchasing a new property. First name. Well, my first legal name is Richard. I'm going to put Rick, my last name. All right, so I'm gonna put my telephone number. I'm just gonna put a fake number. So we'll say 404. And well, actually, I'll put my real number. I want you guys to call me. 678-720-8544. Marital status, yes, married, happily. C is the best. Are you applying for this loan with another applicant? No, I'm doing it by myself. All right, review and confirm information. Type of transaction, it's a purchase. Applying with somebody, no. There's my info. Continue. Tell us more about what you're looking for. Let's start this section. Property type, single family home. Is this under development? No. Property use, of my primary residence. County name, we're going to say DeKalb. That's where I'm looking. DeKalb, Georgia. Continue. Purchase price, let's say that I'm looking to buy for $400,000. Down payment, let's just say I'm going to put 5% down. That would be $20,000. All right. Are you applying or seeking other new mortgage loans on the property? No. Is any part of this down payment a gift? So for me, no. But if we hit yes, we just put how much and fill it all in. So not a big deal. All right. So next line. Are you using a real estate agent? Yes. I put the agent's name and information. For now, I'm just going to put no so we can move along. All right. So we got this information. We're going to continue. Now I want to know about my assets. So what's really cool is I can connect my bank directly to this, which is definitely 100% what you want to do. You want to connect your bank directly to here, and it just makes it so much easier. All right, we're gonna go to the next section, to income. Select the income source you like to consider as part of your income. Your income is used to evaluate your ability to make a monthly payment. So I'm going to say I'm employed. Connect your income to information. Yes. So it can connect my job information directly through to my company. Hit continue. So I just put my job information and then it will verify it with my job. Makes it really easy. Or I can enter it all manual. Next one, we have the real estate section. All right. Do you own any real estate? I'm going to hit no. But if I did, I can add the property. I can add each property individually. And if you own multiple properties, you definitely want to add in every single property here because we're going to need that information when getting you qualified. All right. All right. Declarations. Next, we'll ask you about any financial circumstances you need to disclose. Let's see. Do you have a family relationship or business affiliate with a seller of property? No. Have you or will you be applying for a mortgage loan on another property? No. Have you, will you be applying for a new credit card on before closing this loan? No. Will this property be subject to liens that could take priority over the first mortgage lien? No. So I'm going to hit continue. More declarations. Oh, look at all these. Are you a co-signer or guarantor on any debt or loan that is not disclosed in this application? Are there any outstanding judgments against you? Are you currently delinquent or in default on a federal debt? Are you party to a lawsuit in which you're potentially have any personal financial liability? Have you conveyed title in any property in lieu of foreclosure in the past 7 years? Have you had property foreclosed upon in the last 7 years? Are you borrowing or obtaining any money for this real estate transaction? Oh, or obtaining money from another party, such as a seller or realtor? No. Have you declared bankruptcy? No. Or any obligation to pay a child support? Nope. So keep all those notes. Let's continue here. Are you a citizen? Yes, I am. All right. So those are all my declarations. I hit continue. Oh, let's go back to my assets. Let's go to demographic info. Male, continue. Hispanic or Latino, continue. Already said Hispanic or Latino. Continue. Oh, think I gotta put this one. All right. Continue. So going back to my assets section, I'm gonna just skip that and go to additional questions. So I moved into when did I move into my currently home? Let's say I moved into it 001-01-1980. Do you rent, live rent fee? I rent. Monthly rent, $1,400 a month, I guess. Landlord name optional. That's optional. I'll skip it. Who puts their landlord's name on there? Have you owned another property separate from this other property in the last 3 years? No. Where have you worked in the last 2 years? So add my employer, continue, which I would also do up here in the income section, I believe. Language is English. Number of dependents, put 1, 7, continue. Don't want to receive this. Continue, continue. And that's pretty much it. All I gotta do is add in my assets or income. And I don't want to add this information because it's going to connect to my employer and the assets. So for now, we're going to skip this, but that pretty much concludes the mortgage application. How long did this take us? Oh, it doesn't even feel like 5 minutes. We completed this mortgage application. So if you want to get approved, want to get a mortgage, give me a call. I'll be happy to walk your hand and hold you through complete the mortgage application or send you the link and running numbers for you so you can get a mortgage. Looking forward to helping you. Reach out anytime. Have a great day.